Hey Sam, what are you doing?
Oh, I'm studying Newton's first law of motion.
And what is that?
Well, what's at rest stays at rest, and what's in motion stays in motion, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force.
What does that have to do with my gun and my beer?
Well, basically, the pellet is the unbalanced force knocking the can over, which is at its resting state.
What?
Basically, when I hit the can will no longer be at rest because the pellet is the unbalanced force that hit the can.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I get it now. Well, what I also found out is that the pellet is the unbalanced force, which is affected by the balance force, the can.
Exactly.
So the can stops the pellet, and the pellet moves the can at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I gotta go research this. Hey, I did some research, and I found out there's a second law. But what does it mean?
Well, it basically means the speed of an object depends on the force and mass applied to the object. For example, you could run and go get that chicken.
What? Why?
Just to do it. It's an example. I'll show you.
Okay.
Okay, now get back over here. Now what I want you to do is go to the end of that pool over there and then try to go get the chicken.
Well, why'd you want me to go in the pool?
Just do it.
What? Wait. What are you trying to do to me?
You're gonna run through the pool and try to get the chicken.
Oh, okay.
Now try and go get the chicken as fast as you can.
Ah!
See? It's not as fast.
But what does that mean?
It basically means there's more force in the water and there's also more mass in the water.
You mean I need more force because there's more mass in the water?
Exactly.
But the air doesn't have that much mass?
Exactly.
Oh, okay, I see now. It makes sense now.
Yeah.
Alright. Explain the law of motion. It's not recording though.
And that, kids, is the third law of motion.
When?
Oh. And kids, that is the third law of motion. When something hits something and has an equal and an opposite reaction.
No. Dude. Hey Sam, what was all that? Wait. First you used my gun, then you used my beer, and then now you got me wet. Can you explain all that?
Well, I was showing you the examples of motion.
Oh! Give me your money! Give me your money!
And that, kids, is the third law of motion, where when a force is applied to an object, the other object has an equal or opposite reaction. The equal reaction was me and Richard both flew away, and the opposite reaction is we flew in different directions and had different amount of forces.